Hello, welcome again for another video on exploring our files on my PC. We are looking at Duke. Okay, I'm gonna try to speed up again and again. We're looking at Diesel 10 Rossi. Let me know if you see a red item or something. There's Bertie, Whiff, and garbage car, I think. Sear handle with the flowers. I think the sear handle takes charge. Is Hank, Molly. This time it does not have a Murdoch's face. Now we have a, what's the name of this? 33010 Neville. Yes. Oh, here is another Freddy with the bicycle. I think it's Freddy in a ding. That's the theme or the name of the video, if I'm not mistaken. Here's Billy with the complete set with the McCall's Farm chicken scoop or whatever you call it, and the green caboose. Here's again Duncan, Flora with green caboose. This is a game. What's the name of this? Ah, man, I forgot. Chocolate Crunch Percy. This Mighty Mac does have a lot of tear and wear on the stickers. James Gordon, the remote control for Cranky. Oh, now look at this slot. Remember, I used to have so many that I have to sell sometimes in lots. So as you can see right there, there is Thomas, Dash, Victor, Flynn, Emily, Arthur. There's a lot in there, you name it, and so many extras right there. I don't remember how much I charged for that, but anyways. Oh, now look at this. We have some wooden railway models, and also you can see right there Hector, Hero, Ryan, Slow Coach. Oh, so many models right there. These are original models, including some Chuggington right there. Now here we have some knockoff models, as you can notice. Yeah, they are knockoff right there. 3 slow coaches. See, no names on there. The carriage. Also, these Donald and Douglas are knockoff. That I got those in a lot. I mean, I got a lot of items in a single, and I sell them from separate. Now we're looking at one of these set. I think I got this for 25 cents in a yard sale, and I don't remember, but I think I sold it for $30. Good deal. This camera you're looking at right now, I get it for $5 at a yard sale, and sold in an auction for $165 plus shipping to a customer in Canada. I don't remember, medium-sized camera, I think they call it. There is some more details. Anyways, so we have Thomas, Rusty, Stepney, really bad condition. Look at the stickers. Back in those days, I'm talking about 5 years, I think. On this time, 5 years ago, I did not make the stickers yet. I wasn't restoring, just fixing, repair. So the thing I did was just swap parts, make it work, and that's it. Here's Dennis, another Flora. What's the name of this tractor? Terrence. Here's Thomas, Plarail Thomas, and Diesel 10, Bell, Close-shaped Duke, Harvey. Look at this Murdoch with missing the battery cover. So you're gonna see a lot of the same models. Remember, I bought a lot and sold a lot. Here's Bell with a leather car, Emily, Dart with a blue caboose. No, I'm sorry, it's a brake van. Now it's Gordon. And now here's the thing. Think about this. Victor, it might not be rare, but it's you don't get it very often. It's a remote control Victor, and these are sold really cheap on eBay. But anyways, here is lady with troublesome truck, Duke. I don't know mistake. And now here is Bertram. The Bertram model right there. Scarloy with a mail car, Molly, Tolkien Spencer. Now look at this Mighty Mac. The Mighty Mac with motorized coach and 2 extra passenger cars or coach. Really good set. Now here is Diesel Tank Takes Charge. Yes, that's from Mattel. Now we have Caitlin, Steam Alone Thomas, trying to speed up. Time goes fast. Now see here are some take and play, you name it. Probably you may see some rare for some people who collect the take and play or take along. Remember, you may see, oh no, look at this Southern Carnival Toby. Includes the Southern Carnival, the monkeys and the lion. That's the complete set, I think. The Happy Birthday Percy, including Ned, and a bunch of tracks. Now you're seeing the Steady Dragon name, the watermark on the pictures is because that's my main account from PayPal, and you're gonna see probably A624 Toys, and that's another account that I used long time ago on eBay. Here we're looking at wooden railway tracks. Here's another Tidmouth Sheds, take along or take and play. I don't know. You let me know in the comments because I'm not really good on this brand. There is Murdoch, Annie and Clarabelle. Really good. Now here is another 3-speed Thomas, remote control Thomas. I think I have 3 laying around somewhere. You've seen it on the videos lately. Steam Alone Thomas with a scratch on the roof. Henry 2009 James, Gordon, Spencer, Tolkien James. You let me know if you've seen something different in this video. Tolkien Thomas, Salty, Arthur, and Dirty Percy. Some people are looking for Dirty Percy, but you can find it anyways on eBay. Here is the Gordon Express Splatter sold alone. Now here we're looking at Tidmouth Sheds, as you see in the picture, sold as it is, missing the supports. Sometimes they came with the support, sometimes don't. Anyways, here we have a Knapford Station again. Now this time sold without the tracks. Tracks you can get it anywhere. It is it Tommy? It's Edward. I don't know if it's Tommy. Gordon from Mattel. Scroof and a troublesome truck. And Bussy as a B. James. Complete set. Now this model I don't remember. I don't know what's the name of this. How it came, the set. I think it came with the banana cargos. Car and the banana cargo, and I think the name is the Indignity or the Indignity Gordon. I think, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Snow Clearing James. Nice. There is Murdoch again. Complete set. Some scratches as always. Hero. This one is Mattel. Oh yeah, I remember that Mattel and Hit Toy made the same model. Hero. I thought it was only from Hit Toy, but anyways, I now know that it was made from Mattel too. Connor, Duke, Luke. Is it Luke or Luke? Luke. I think Luke, because Luke, I don't know. Sorry, because I'm not really good at pronouncing this. Anyways, here are Spencer's. I think are the Royal coaches or just Spencer coaches. Don't remember. Let me know. These ones are from Tommy. I don't know if those are Plarail or not. Now here are the express coaches. Some people say that these are rare or hard to find or whatever. Again, I'm gonna say it again and again. You can find this every week or every month on eBay, but you gotta keep looking because there's a lot of people looking for the same models, and they will buy it before you, and you don't know when they will appear. Now this set, I remember one auction, one seller sold that for $125, and I contact the seller. You should tell them because later they're gonna find out that model was cheap for $20 or $35 back in those days. Talking Henry, oh man, Talking Victor, Stepney, Sir Handel, Salty, Toal, Henrietta, Snow Clearing Thomas, Rusty. Look at this, maybe it's really nice. Well, it looks clean. This one is Tommy, I think. Freddy, another diesel 10. Clean. Bell. Now here's the set from the Dirty Percy. I think it's I don't remember. Let me know in the comments. I think it's Percy in the rescue or search car, I think. Let me know in the comments because I totally forgot. Rocket or Stephen with Kaylin. Here is again this number 2. Oh man, I forget everything. Edward, Spencer. I'm thinking on other stuff, other things. Dart. Here is another lot. As it is, I sold it as it is. Another Trackmaster 2. And more. And I think that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna say thank you for watching, and as always, over and out. Bye.